Hi guys! Hey y'all, so today my best friend is gonna do my makeup. So this is Heiddy Castillo.
Hi!
And we have been friends since middle school?
Yes,
right?
middle
So
school.
like 10 plus years. I don't even know. I lost count of how many years we've been friends. You've probably seen her like in my stories. She's the one that I work out with. So yeah, we're gonna do my makeup today. So just a little backstory. I'll just let her tell you guys.
First, I am just a very basic bitch. I don't do much with my face. I just do very basic, maybe some foundation, some concealer because I do have really dark under eyes. I don't really draw or do my eyebrows much. I don't wear eyelashes. I just curl my eyelashes, throw a little mascara, maybe just put some little blush, and that's my everyday makeup. Maybe when I go out, maybe I'll add some eyeshadow, maybe, but very basic here. So I'm going to be doing a basic tutorial here on Sylvia. See if she likes it.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun because Heidi does not do makeup. She just uses basic makeup, and I'm pretty extra when it comes to makeup when I go out. Just like everybody else, when I go to work, I really do just do like a basic look. But I am like curious to see how she would do my makeup. Let's get started. So I already laid everything out right here for her. So I put out like foundation, brushes, palettes, so like different options for her to choose from just to help her out a little bit. I already moisturized and I put sunscreen, but I don't have any makeup on right now. I did use primer. I used the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. Okay, so I zoomed in. I look hella pale. I get so freaking pale in the winter. It's crazy.
Wish me luck, guys. I think you start on eyeshadows, don't you? I don't know. Okay, we are using this palette. And like I said, I'm very basic. So I'm going to use this right here, Your Lion. And I'm going to use this brush. I have no idea if I'm using the correct brush, but here goes nothing. Okay. Tap.
She's using the Young, Wild, and Cruelty Free palette by Tarte. I'm gonna link all the products that she uses in the description box below. If you guys want to see a video of me doing her makeup and transforming her, let me know in the comment section.
And that's it. Very basic.
I'm also gonna zoom in at the end so you guys can see like a close-up of the makeup look.
I know she likes to wear eyeliner, but here goes nothing. That looks bad. By the way, guys, I do not wear eyeliner, so I don't know how to do this. Oops. Okay. But this one looks, yeah, I'm probably gonna need something to erase this one, make it thinner. And this is why I don't do eyeliner. We'll fix it later. Okay, so now we're gonna use this Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear.
And I told her to try, so she's really trying, you guys.
The beauty blender. So I'm just gonna put it in my skin. 2 pumps.
A little fun fact. Really, none of my best friends do makeup. I'm the only one that loves makeup. Like I do a full glam look when we go out. Yeah, we don't really talk about makeup. You guys are my friends who I talk about makeup with. Me and her, we wanted to start going to the gym this year, and it's been going really good. We went every day this week, so you're gonna see us get fit this year. She's really into fitness and she likes to travel. So if you guys want to follow her on Instagram, I'll put her handle down below.
Okay, so we're done there.
Looks pretty good. That's a pretty eyeshadow color.
It's very basic.
She's going in with concealer now.
Oh yes, born this way.
The Toofaced concealer. Because none of my friends do makeup, a lot of the times, if they need their makeup done, I'm the one who they come to, like, and they ask me to do it for them. So I have done 2 of my best friends' makeup for events so far, but I haven't done Heidi's makeup.
Because I don't go out. I don't ever have events. I've never gotten my makeup done.
What?
Never.
Never? For
Never.
wedding?
Nope. Do it myself because I'm basic. Okay, so now we are going to do bake. I think that's what it's called. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna use this beauty blender and we're using the Kylie powder.
Okay, so if she's never had her makeup done, it's gonna be fun if I do her makeup.
And then I'm going to also bake her T-line.
Do you bake?
Forehead. I do add some powder, but very basic.
But you don't bake?
I mean, I guess, I don't know if what I'm doing is baking. But this is what I do.
So there's powder and then there's baking. Baking is when you leave it and then you wipe it away.
Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it. So we're baking. Makeup of Mario. This one right here, I don't know what it's
I
called.
just put out the brushes for her like this.
Yeah.
So that's where she grabbed it from.
Okay. Okay.
What are you looking for?
Something more to like contour, but more.
A contour?
Yes, that one.
So this one, this is the, what is it? Park Avenue Princess Tarte Contour Palette.
And like I said, I'm very basic, so I usually just go for browns or like golden, something like that. So I'm gonna just tap at this one, carrot and angle, and then I'm just gonna go in.
Which contour powder do you use, or bronzer?
I use Anastasia, I don't know. I don't even know what it's called. I use my contour brush and my blush brush for the same thing, for the same purpose.
I do that sometimes.
I'm gonna contour her nose a little. We're gonna go back to baking or setting spray. Just put a little bit more in here and then I'm just gonna
Wipe it away.
Yes, wipe it away, but at the same time still trying to hit everything. Yes, set.
Okay. I'm still like trying to get Alfred, my boyfriend, to come on here and do my makeup.
That would
powder.
be fun and funny.
I know. I'm gonna get him to do it, you guys.
Next, we're going to do her eyebrows. We're using NYX. If and when I do my eyebrows, I just like slightly go over it. I don't like to do my eyebrows a little too dark or too extra. I'm just, like I said, very basic. Just give it a little color. Luckily, she already has a shape, so it's not hard at all.
I have my eyebrows microbladed, but I need to get them redone. When you have your eyebrows microbladed, it makes it so much easier to like fill in your brows. I always get on Heidi about her brows.
She really does. But she's right. Eyebrows can make a huge difference.
It does. I feel so weird. Like if I do a full face of makeup, no brows, or like I don't do my brows and they're not microbladed, I just don't feel right. Like I just don't feel like the makeup looks good. I rather not have any makeup on if I'm not gonna have my brows done. Or I will just do my brows and a little bit of makeup. That's it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of color right here because it just looks too, like there's nothing there, so it looks kind of weird. So I'm gonna go back to this palette, this one.
Irrelevant.
It's almost the same color, just to give it a little bit of more color, I guess.
Good thing I didn't have plans today.
So another thing that I like to do, because like I said, I don't wear eyeliner, but I do like to add a little bit of eyeshadow underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna use this color, camouflage, like a brownish, purplish color underneath her eye.
I don't think Heidi has done anyone's makeup before. Okay?
No. Who would trust me?
Apparently I would.
Normally I would have not had used the black eyeliner because like I said, I don't wear eyeliner. So now it looks kind of weird, but okay, whatever. We're gonna add a little bit of shimmer to the inside. Now open your eyes.
I'm scared to open my eyes. I actually haven't had my makeup done by anyone in a really long time. I've just been doing my own makeup for a while already. And even for my cousin's wedding, I didn't get my makeup done. I did it myself.
So I kind of did mess up on her top eyeliner and I don't know how to fix it. So maybe if we add some eyelashes, you won't really be able to tell your eyeliner much.
Can you put lashes on?
No, I cannot.
I'm not doing it. You're doing my makeup.
Okay, where is your curler? Here it is. Well, let's try and fix this one a little bit. What else? It will do for now. Now we're gonna curl her lashes.
I should do this.
Okay, she's gonna curl her lashes.
I don't usually curl my lashes because I put lashes. But Heidi does curl her lashes because she has long lashes. So she doesn't even really need to put false lashes. My lashes are short.
Okay, this was the first one I grabbed. Thrive Cosmetics.
I am so scared right now.
I'm not gonna poke your eye, I promise. Okay. So usually when I do my eyelashes though, like she said, I do have long eyelashes. I curl them a lot, and so when I put mascara on, they look pretty long and they look pretty. You know, her lashes are not long, so even with the mascara, you could probably not see it or tell the difference, but
I'm wearing mascara.
She's wearing mascara. And then I always add mascara to the bottom just to give it a little bit more color. Again, I didn't add that much eyeliner to the bottom. I added a little bit of brown eyeshadow. Now we're gonna finish up with lip. Nope, not this one. This one. It's brown again. Like I said, guys, I like to use a lot of browns or neutral colors. Wait, that's not all. Let's see. Add some lipstick. Oh, let's use this one. Okay. Kylie Jenner lipstick. This color was not what I thought it was gonna look, so yeah, I don't know. Oops. So let's try another one.
Okay, I'll take this one off.
Yes.
My lips are so dry.
Actually, we're gonna try this. Like KoKo. Still Kylie Cosmetics. Much better. Okay, so like I said, I don't usually use lip liners. I just use something like this, a lipstick. I love matte as well. That is it. Voila.
That's it?
That's it. Did I miss something?
Well, I'm not gonna tell you, but
you look better than what you did before.
Bitch.
We're forgetting the setting spray, but you know, other than that, oh, I guess we can add some shimmer to her cheeks. Whatever. Let's see. This maybe? Nope. Not this one. We're gonna use this. I don't know what brush this is. Wait, is this shimmer like for your cheeks or is this like eyeshadow?
It's highlighter.
Okay.
Do you put blush or no?
No.
Oh, she doesn't use blush.
I don't use blush because it looks too shimmery. I'm gonna go back with this, kind of brush it off a little. This was the brush I used for her contouring. Go back in here, give it a little color, do the basic tap right here, give it a little color. She's good to go.
She didn't do that bad, you guys. She did. I think she did. Okay, I think like if it wasn't for like the eyeliner, it wouldn't look that bad. I am proud of you.
Thank you. See, very basic, very neutral.
Now we look alike.
Yeah. And what?
All right, you guys. So this is the makeup look done zoomed in so you guys can see exactly what she did. I will again link whatever is still available because some of the products that she used, they might not be available, but I will still link everything that she used down below. Thank you, Heidi, for coming to my channel and doing my makeup. This was just like a random spur of the moment type of video. So I hope you guys liked the video. Comment below if you guys have any questions like about us, our friendship. We'll answer down below. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a video of me doing her makeup. She's never gotten her makeup done. So if you guys want to see Heidi transform, comment below and we will do another video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Hold on, you have a little...
Can you see? Ay, Heidi. Damn it.